You wait for it to reach this buy zone. You enter from here and you are out there. As simple as that. So in this video, I'm going to show you this strategy that can make you all the way up to 214 USD. It made me that much. This particular strategy made me that much. So I'm going to walk you through step by step on how you set this up and how you can maximize your profits. So the master trader himself here from Trading Beyond's Academy, super excited. I'm going to walk you through step by step on how you can do and go about it. So that's the thing. So I don't know, for people that are still waiting for me to tell them to actually join our Telegram group, I don't know what you're waiting for, because we give free signals each and every day. The only thing that you have to do is to click the link in the description and be part of what's happening. We don't charge for signals. We make money in the financial market. We give free signals each and every day. Like I always say, the problem that I've found with most traders is not necessarily that they don't know how to trade or how to execute trades, but the biggest problem is capital. Some people will come with 5 USD, they will come with 10 USD and want to make a lot of money from the financial market, which is very, very possible if you just follow how we trade. So that's the main reason to why I come up with these interesting videos on how you can actually raise your small account of money, maybe a 5 USD, into something that is substantial in order for you to enter our long trades. So that's the thing. The only thing that you have to do, join our club, join the Telegram group, and you'll be happy you did so. So that's the thing. So I'm going to delete everything. This is how the setup is looking. For example, here we are almost there where to enter from, but you just don't enter. I'm going to explain to you how you enter, and I believe this is self-explanatory if you can see. So that's the thing. So I'm going to come here and delete everything and set up everything with you guys. So I come here and I'm going to edit and delete everything. So we are going to be having first a moving average, a relative strength index, a moving average, another moving average. So that's a thing. So I'm going to more like delete that again. So that's a thing. And I'm going to start now walking you step by step. So if we click there, we come on moving average. The first moving average will have a period of 12, and we are going to actually put the star to blue. Yes, we're going to put the star to blue. So that's the thing. So make sure that the period is 12, shift to 0, method exponential, apply to close. The levels don't really matter. The time frame doesn't matter. Show it on all time frames, and the star is blue. Please guys, let me repeat this. Use exactly the same colors that I'm using in order for you not to be confused. I beg you. It's money that we're dealing with. And again, if you're just getting started, please use a demo account. Don't use a real account. Back test our strategies and see which one work for you. There are so many strategies in this channel. If you're not comfortable with this one, go and try another one. Don't lose money. That's the thing. You click there on done and you have something like this. Yes, you have something like this. Let me just change a little bit of, it's still visible. You can change from there, and yes, so that's the thing. So you have something like this on your chart as your moving average. And again, we're going to go for the relative strength index. We click there, we come on main window, we click there and we look for this one, relative strength index, RSI. And from here, I want you to follow exactly the same things that I've put here. The period will be 1, applied to close. The levels will be 10 and 90. So you are going to label your 10 as a buy and your 90 as a sell. You click there. And when it comes to style, ensure that you put the background that you have in. If it's black, you put black. If it's white, you put white. But please put exactly the same things that I've put. So for this particular strategy, please, if you have a black background, change it to white so that you cannot be confused and say it's not working. So that's the thing. And click OK, and we have it somewhere down here. Another thing that you have to add is actually the moving average. Now this time around, we're adding the moving average in our indicator window 1, we click there, we come on moving average. So this is the actual things that I want you to actually follow here. We have a period of 15 actually. The period of 15, a shift 0 method exponential apply to close, and here we're going to change the color. Very important, guys. We're going to change the color to black. We're changing the color to black, and we're going to click on there. I hope you're able to see that, right? I hope you're able to see that clearly, guys. So that's the thing. And from here, we are going to add another moving average this time around. Our moving average, indicator window 1. So I came here, indicator window 1, in now indicator window 1, moving average, and we're going to have a moving average of 1, and we shift 0. Our method is exponential applying to close, and here the color, we are just going to change the color to red. That's the thing. Maybe probably just making it more visible, and click done, something like that. And this also, yes, I hope you are able to see that. So basically that's the thing. So from here, we are going to be entering the market using a 15 minutes time frame. So we are going to enter the market using 15 minutes time frame. That's the thing. So here is a 15 minutes time frame. So now, before I explain this, if at all you have not yet subscribed to the channel, guys, it will take nothing from you. You just subscribe to the channel, hit that icon bell so that you can be notified each and every day I drop a new video like this one, and ensure that you share the video to your friends and you like the video, and also just join our Telegram channel so that you can be receiving our free signals, and check out the description box. There are some interesting videos that can really help you, and interesting stuff that can help you maximize your profits in the financial market. So that's the thing. So just scroll through the description and it will help you. Trust me, it will help you. So that's the thing. Getting back to the video, the thing that you have to actually take note of is this, guys. The blue line. You need to take note of this blue line. When this blue line is beneath the market, we already know to say that this market is in an uptrend. So this blue line is our confirmation to where we enter from. So we are going to be waiting for a market. For example, if we see the red line, and if we see the red and the black line touching here or approaching the zone, and our red line closing here on a buy zone, if you can see there, we already know to say that okay, we are going to buy, but we are not going to enter simply because we have seen it close or it being, you know, in down here. So we are not entering from there, guys. We are only entering if we see on the main chart that this has been closed. The blue line has been closed, and now the blue line is down there. I hope I'm clear regarding that, guys. So the moment we see this confirmation now that the blue line has been closed by the chart, it's now the chart is up, and here we already had a signal to say that we are going with it. That's where now, guys, we enter. So we enter from here and we come out the moment we see this blue line has been closed again. So we are entering from somewhere here, and we are running with the market all the way up to there, guys. So we'll be in the market for this long. And if you understand, and on this 15 minutes time frame, you'll be in the market like for 1 hour, 2 hours. You're just in the market. You get the point, right? And if you're using a good lot size, you make a lot of money. Just on one position, I made about 212 somewhere there USD, just on one position with a lot size of 0.5. So if you're using a lot size that is at least good, you can actually make a lot of money, guys. you can make a lot of money from these guys. So that's the thing. This is same applying when it comes to a buy as well. So we are not entering the market now simply because we have seen a close. No, guys, here that's where the market is. As I'm making this video, I've just turned off there, if you can see, so that I cannot be receiving notifications. I receive a lot of notifications, so I've turned it to plain mode. So the market is here. We are not entering there. We are only entering the market if we see this market as this blue line has been closed. The moment it has been closed, we are going to enter just like here. The moment it closed here, we didn't enter from here. We waited for it to close, and we are going to enter from there. And it doesn't matter whether it's against the spikes or with the spikes, you make money with this strategy. You can back test it, try it on each and every previous thing. But like I always say, guys, try it first on a demo before you can actually try it on real account. So that's the thing. All our strategies, try them on a demo. If you're comfortable with them, then go for them. If you're not comfortable with this one, there are so many strategies on the channel. Just click on the channel and you can watch more and more videos that can be helpful to you. So that's the thing. And ensure that you are part of our channel, our Telegram channel, so that you can be receiving free signals that I enter myself. So that's the thing. I love you so much, and I hope this video was helpful to you and it will yield you success. Love you so much. The Master Trader himself here.